So what you need to do is understand what is the logic which is available in the reference pair. The same logic we have to apply in order to get the required quantity. That's what you have to do in all the analogy questions. Let's look at one more question. 216 36 1331 will be what? So first of all, understand the reference pair 216 and 36. What is 216 6 cube? What is 36 6 square? So using the similar logic, 1331 will be what? So 1331 is basically 11 cube. 11 cube is going to be 11 square. What is 11 square? That's 121. Available as option A, mark it as answer choice. Available as option A, mark it as answer choice. Look at the next question. 405 is 135. 729 will be what? 729 will be what? So you can just understand the question here. 405 is going to be 135. So one simple point which you have to understand here is 405 and 135 are not any perfect squares and perfect cubes. But if you can observe 405 and divide with 3, 3 ones are and 3 threes are 3 fives are. We are going to get 135. 725, 29 when we divide with the 3, 3 twos are 3 fours are 3 threes are. You are going to get 243. You can mark it as answer choice. You can mark it as answer choice. So look at the next question. 15 and 19. Then 17 will be what? So they are asking 15 is 90, 17 is what? So 15 ones are 15 6 are, is going to be 90. Then 17 ones are 17 6 are, should be your answer. 17 into 6 is giving a result as 102. Mark it as option A. Mark it as option A. That's how you can see the questions which are related to analogy. So let's look at one more. 28 and 784. 28 and 28 square is given. Then dash will be 1444. So that means this is square of what we have to find out. That means the question mark should be square root of 1444. Square root of a 4-digit number, definitely a 2-digit number. So you can eliminate these two. You can observe this number is 1444. What is 3? And if you observe 3 square and 4 square value, what is 330 square? 900. What is 40 square? 1600. So the given number is 1444. It is less than 1600. That means answer choice should be less than 40. That is going to be 38. Mark your answer as 38. If you observe 38 square going to give the value as 1444. Look at how the questions of letter analogy are given. So number analogy questions are majorly focusing on square numbers, prime numbers, and cube numbers. And if those are not matching, the questions are related to, those are not matching, then the questions are related to multiplication or division. How the letter analogy questions are given, we'll try to understand. So look at the first question which is available on the screen. Look at the first question which is available on the screen. So L3, L4, 4T5, 3L4, 4T5. Then 6P7 will be what? So you can just observe 3 into 4 is going to be 12. 12th alphabet is L. 4 into 5 is going to be 20. 28th alphabet is T. 3, 4, 4, 5. 3, 4, 4, 5. 6, 7 will be what? 7, 8. That's one point which is going to be helpful for us to eliminate option D. 7 into 8 is going to give a result as 56. 56th alphabet won't be there. 26 plus 26, 52 is over. Another 4 is left over. That 4 must be option C. 4 must be D. Look at the next question available on the screen. 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6. Then the next one is 7, 7. Right? So what is happening here? 3 G is 7th alphabet, R is 18th alphabet. What is the increase? Increase is 11. N is 14th alphabet. If you increase by 11, it will be 25th alphabet. What is 25th alphabet? Y. Answer choice is 7 by 7. Answer choice is 7 by 7. Look at the next question. Cx dash will be U. Cx dash will be U. So C is the third alphabet, X is the 24th alphabet. So C is the third alphabet from the starting, X is the third alphabet from the last. So what is U? U is going to be 21st. So U is going to be 21st. So you can just understand 3 plus 24 is 27. Something plus U is equal to something plus 21 is equal to 27. What is that something? 6. What is the sixth alphabet? It is F. Mark it as option C. So in the first pair, C and X is there. If you take the sum of the positions, that is equal to 27. The next one should match with 27. Already 21 is given. This must be 6. That must be F. Mark your answer as this. Look at the next question. EI59 dash will be 1529. E is going to be fifth alphabet. I is going to be ninth alphabet. So 15th alphabet is what? O. 21st alphabet is what? U. So answer choice must be OU. Mark it as option C. Similarly, you can also see the questions which are related to word analogy. How word analogy questions are given, we'll try to understand. So if you observe the word analogy question, hospital, patients, school is what? Patients will come to the hospital for the treatment. Students will come to the school for the learning process. Answer must be option C. Look at the next question. Quadrilateral, square, triangle is what? Quadrilateral is a general figure. Square is a type of quadrilateral where all sides are equal. Triangle is a general figure. Equilateral triangle is a figure where all sides are equal. Angle between any two is going to be 60. Answer choice must be equilateral triangle. Answer choice must be equilateral triangle. Look at the next one. Ice water dash will be ghee. Ice is water dash will be ghee. So if you heat the ice, you will get water. If you heat the butter, you will get ghee. Answer choice must be option C. Answer choice must be option C. Pen is used to write. Needle is used to sew. Mark it as option D. Mark it as option C. Look at the next question. Bread bakery. Milk is what? Bread you can find in bakery. Milk you can find in dairy. Mark your answer as option B. Look at the next question. Calorie is a unit for heat. Bar is a unit for atmospheric pressure. Mark it as option C. Ammeter current. Barometer is what? Ammeter is current. Barometer is what? Ammeter is used to measure the current. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Mark it as option D. Look at the next one. Cardiology, heart. Botany is what? So we can say cardiology is going to be used to study the heart. Cardiology is the study of heart. Botany is study of what? Botany is the study of plants. Mark it as option A. Look at the next question. Foot is inch. Year is what? So 1 foot is going to be 12 inches. 1 year is going to be 12 months. Your answer choice must be month. Mark it as option. Mark it as option C. So that's how you can able to see the questions which are related to analogy. Similarly, we'll try to understand how the questions of odd man out are given. How the questions of odd man out are given. Let me show you the screen.